In this video, we're covering the angle sum of a triangle. Now, this is a very special property, and the property is that all the angles in a triangle will always add up to 180 degrees. Now, again, the angle sum, as it's called, of a triangle is 180 degrees. So if I want to go and label some angles here, let's say this is angle A, angle B, and angle C, I know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180. And we use this rule to find unknown angles. And it's commonly used in later levels of mathematics, so it's an important rule to understand. So again, all the angles of a triangle will add up to 180 when you add them together. So we're going to look at some examples here and how we use it. So on your screen here we have a triangle and we have a pronumeral. Now remember, pronumeral just means a letter, and in this case our letter is A, so it's up here, and we need to find that value. Now there's two ways to go about solving this type of question. There's the straight up one where we know all the sides are 180. So if I wanted all the angles added up are 180, so if I wanted to find what A is, I could simply just go 180, take away 70, take away 60, and that equals 50 degrees. So I know that A is going to equal 50 degrees. You can do it algebraically as well, where we go, well, I know if I have A equals 70, A plus 70 plus 60 equals 180. Now I know my opposites, so minus 70 minus 60, and I do that over here to the other side, minus 70 minus 60. Now because these are opposites here, so plus 70 minus 70 opposites, they cancel out, and I'm left over with my A equals 180, take away 70, take away 60. So we can finally write that down as A equals 50 degrees. So both ways work there. The next triangle we're going to look at here is an isosceles triangle because the angles at the bottom are the same. So we need to find angle B, and the same thing, we'll do the shortcut method this time. I know that B is going to be 180 minus my other two angles. Oh, not 175. 30 degrees. We'll do another one here. Same, we'll do the shortcut method. X equals 180 minus 126 minus 32. And X equals 22 degrees. We'll do one more. Here we go. So the reason we're doing one more here is because of this symbol here. Now remember, that just means it's 90 degrees. So E is going to equal 180 minus 90 minus 40. And we get E equals 50 degrees. So to summarize, remember, the angle sum of a triangle is 180 degrees. So when you add up all those angles, like we've got here, A plus B plus C, it should always equal 180. And the way we use this in terms of finding an unknown pronumeral or letter is that we go 180 minus all the known angles that we have. So in the case of that first example, 180 minus 70 minus 60. That equals 50, therefore A is 50 degrees.